Throughout our investigation, we were able to determine that a gunfight ensued on April 26, 2022 at approximately 10:07 p.m. at 830 Gist Road, which is located within the city limits of Rock Hill, South Carolina. Officers of the Rock Hill Police Department responded to the area of Gist Road and located 4 male victims suffering from gunshot wounds. 2 of the males were deceased when officers first arrived on scene, and 1 male died shortly later at the hospital. Another male suffered a serious gunshot wound to his right hand. Based on the brutality of the crime and the concern for the safety of the citizens of Rock Hill, and on behalf of the Rock Hill Police Department and the victim's family, I request that the defendant's bond be denied today.
But when looking at what would be in the best interest of the child, given the very nature of DJJ at the moment, and her release would certainly not pose any danger to the community. It's not necessary to protect the public in any way, shape, or form, is what you'd look at 820A. She would be adequately supervised in the home when you have home detention and electronic monitoring. Your Honor would know her location at all times. Again, having an adult specifically in her presence would be available if Your Honor sees fit, to where during the day she would be with his fiance at her residence, so there would always be an adult present monitoring her at basically 24 hours in the day.
As the court is aware of the high conflict that this case resulted in because of some things that was going on in advance, and that this is still a case in which there is a potential for high conflict that could end up in dangerous situations for young people and for families. Given the serious nature of this matter, and I believe that potentially could still be a danger to others in the community, that the public needs to be protected, and also that it's in her best interest that she remain detained to protect her as well. Then I'm going to continue the detention. Certainly, subsequent detention could be held. I know we are awaiting several evaluations and a potential waiver hearing to determine whether or not she would be tried as an adult. But I believe it's in her best interest and the best interest of the community at this time that she remain detained.